Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Royal Enfield Bullet 500. This iconic bike combines timeless design with modern performance, making it a must-see for enthusiasts and new riders alike. Let's explore what makes the Bullet 500 stand out this year. Design and aesthetics. First up, let's talk about design. The 2025 Bullet 500 retains the classic silhouette that fans adore, featuring its signature round headlamp and teardrop fuel tank. However, Royal Enfield has added contemporary touches, such as LED lighting and a digital analog instrument cluster. The new color palette also offers a fresh take, blending vintage charm with modern flair. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Bullet 500 is powered by a refined 499cc single-cylinder engine. With improved fuel injection technology, it delivers a smooth 27.2 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque. This means not only better performance but also improved fuel efficiency. The bike is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, enhancing cruising capability on highways. Comfort and features. Comfort is paramount, especially for long rides. The 2025 model features a redesigned seat with enhanced padding, ensuring a comfortable ride for both the rider and passenger. Additionally, the bike includes modern features such as a USB charging port, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional ride modes, making it perfect for today's riders. Safety and handling. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The Bullet 500 now comes equipped with dual-channel ABS and improved braking systems for greater stopping power. The updated suspension system provides better handling and stability, making it a joy to ride on both city streets and winding roads. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 is a brilliant blend of tradition and innovation. With its iconic design, powerful performance, and modern features, it's set to capture the hearts of riders around the world. If you're a fan of classic motorcycles or simply looking for a reliable ride, the Bullet 500 should be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews and updates. What are your thoughts on the new Bullet 500? Let us know in the comments below.